Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking on the advantages of uploading videos on YouTube to make money on YouTube and affiliate marketing. Why should you upload videos and for what reason? The why is what you intend to do. There should be a reason why you want to upload videos to YouTube. It might be for games, music, business, or many other reasons. Since I am in affiliate marketing, we will stick to the business side. There are more than 2 billion monthly users on YouTube. 30 million are active daily, and they spend an average of 40 minutes per viewing session. YouTube also is the second largest search engine next to Google. Now, why would you disregard this massive traffic source? If you want to make money on YouTube, I would suggest that you start off with affiliate marketing. This is the easiest to start with. This is where you have either your own product that you want to sell, or you are an agent for another company to sell their products for a commission. There are many companies on the web that allows you to sell their products for a commission. Most of them allows you to join for free. Find an evergreen niche you are interested in, and then find the products in that niche that you would like to sell. Of course, you can create your own product as well, and then get affiliates to sell or promote it for you, or you can sell it yourself. The biggest problem of promoting on the web is how you get traffic to your offer. You can either do it organically or buy traffic. Buying traffic is not always recommended, as you do not really know who you are buying from, and the traffic sent to your offer is not always targeted. On the other hand, paying for ads on the net these days can be very expensive, especially when you are starting out or have a low budget. This is actually the fastest way to get traffic, not always targeted to your offer, but the quickest. Getting traffic to your videos and ranking your videos on the highest in the search results takes time and effort, but it can be done within a short time if you know what you are doing. This is here where the advantages of uploading videos on YouTube comes to play. It is free to start a channel on YouTube. You can upload as many videos as what you want. 1 per day is recommended. You can either create them yourself or have it made by a freelancer. By creating great content, it is likely that your video is viewed and shared. It gives you the opportunity to earn money. It is an easy way to share information. YouTube is a social platform, so people do not need an account to view your videos. There are many more, but these are the ones we think you should know about. A few disadvantages are there are many rules which restrict what you can publish, how your channel looks, and what things you can post. YouTube has the right to disable your account without any reason. That is, if any of your comments or content is in breach of their terms of service and community guidelines. If your videos are repeatedly reported for claims of copyright infringement, they can also cancel your account. Any advertiser can put an ad on your video. In the next video, I'm going to discuss the introduction to how you can rank number 1 to make money on YouTube in 2020. I am making more videos on how to earn money and making videos on YouTube. Do please subscribe and hit the bell so that you can be notified when I post a new video. See you in the next video.